Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Tarot guys. For today, we will have all signs and kung ano yung mga blessings for this month of March. Okay? Paalala lang po that this is a general reading. So marami po kasing syempre magkakapareho ng mga zodiac signs. Kaya hindi po lahat sa inyo makaka-resonates. So take what resonates and leave what is not. Okay? And this is also a timeless reading. Kahit sabihin natin this is for the month of March, pwedeng itong nakalipas na week, pwedeng this coming week, third week, or the last week of March. Okay? All signs, blessings for this month of March. Okay. And also, since this is a tarot readings, it is just a guidance, okay? Nasa sa inyo pa rin po nakasalalay yan yung kapalaran at kinabukasan. Depende po on how you work on with your energies. Start na po tayo para sa Aries. Wow! Para sa mga Aries, nakikita ko dito that aside from love life, that meron someone na mag-offer sa inyo ng love. Merong someone na medyo mas bata sa inyo eh. So, this is not gender specific. Pwede sa inyo. Depende po sa sitwasyon ninyo. Girl sa girl, boy sa boy, girl sa girl, boy sa girl. Depende po sa sitwasyon ninyo, okay? And someone na mag-offer sa inyo ng love, and meron din paparating na blessing with it comes of money. Okay? Para sa Aries. Para sa Taurus. Okay, ang blessings na paparating sa inyo is someone who will speak to you. Okay? Kailangan lang is don't be defensive. Okay? Para hindi magkaroon ng conflict. So, merong isang tao na maghahatid sa inyo ng magandang balita. Okay? Parang don't take it negatively lang. Okay? Pero he is the one, parang someone who will tell the truth. Siguro meron something na mabubunyag dito. Okay? Para sa Taurus. So, masasabi nating blessings yun kasi, diba, the truth will set you free. Pero depende on how you take. Diba? Para sa mga Gemini. For Gemini, kumbaga nandun na yung end of burdens ninyo eh. And you will have a peace of mind. Okay? Maybe may mga problems na magkakaroon ng resolution, kaya yung burden na yan mawawala na and you will have a peace of mind. Mas magiging peaceful na. Yun siguro yung blessings na paparating sa inyo. For Cancer, King of Swords, and Ace of Wands. Wow! Someone na paparating sa inyo who is very passionate, creative, and is someone na sabihin nating honest, sincere. Maybe this is a love life, no? Or pwede rin naman in terms of career. Meron kayong makakasama who will be pwedeng business partner, which is very creative and honest, that you will work with. Okay? Para sa Cancer. Para sa Leo, Two of Wands, and Page of Pentacles. Okay? So, para sa mga Leo, pwede dito, plan for journey or travel. Okay? And, meron ditong unexpected na blessings when it comes to money. Someone na pwedeng magbibigay sa inyo ng kailangan ninyo na money to travel or pwedeng to work abroad. Siguro, yung mga kailangan ninyo para maisaayos yung mga requirements ninyo o yung kailangan yung bayaran. Okay? For you to have this travel. Okay? Para sa mga Virgo, 10 of Swords and 7 of Swords. 10 of Swords means the end of a cycle na to. End of cycle sa isang bagay na pwedeng lies, no? So, siguro, mawawala na sa inyo yung tao or madedetach na kayo doon sa taong yon who always make lies to you. And end of cycle na to, panibagong cycle na to. Okay? Wala nang mga lies. Mas gagaan na yung pakiramdam ninyo, okay? Or yung magiging sitwasyon ninyo. For Libra, 3 of Wands and Queen of Wands. Okay? For Libra, this one is also wondering about traveling, exploring, and who will meet someone who is very passionate, someone who is very creative, very attractive. No, siguro pwede yun someone na makakasama mo sa planning ng journey mo or ng travel mo. Okay? That's for Libra. For Scorpio, 8 of Swords and King of Cups. Okay? Mawawala na sa isip mo kung ano man yung mga worries and fears mo Okay? Because someone who will offer you a love, who is emotionally stable, who is loving and caring, someone who is devoted to you, will come. Okay? Mawawala na lahat ng mga anxieties, more overthinking. That's for Libra. Sagittarius, 2 of Swords and Ace of Swords. So, una, indecisive ka Siguro meron kang something na kailangan mong pagdesisyonan. Okay? Pwede ito sa love life o kahit sa anong aspeto. But, you will have clarity. Yun yung maganda. You will have clarity, yung pagiging indecisive mo, makaka-choose ka na between the two of that. Okay? Para sa Capricorn, Knight of Pentacles and Page of Wands. Knight of Pentacles, someone who will offer you a security or pagdating sa financial aspects, no? Kaso lang, pwedeng yun yung magiging front niya, someone who is very attractive, very, think ko itong Page of Wands young energy, hindi pa siya ganun ka-mature at very, masasabi natin pwedeng mapusok, okay? Nasa-sense ko na dalawang tao to. No, isang young, very mapusok, attractive, at someone who is stable at can offer you security. So, ang gabay lang dito is choose wisely. Okay? Para sa Aquarius, the Empress and 10 of Cups. Wow! The Empress is someone who's very nourishing, loving. This is a mother-like energy, no? And 10 of Cups, it will lead to a happy family. Nandiyan lahat, overflowing yung love. Nandiyan yung family, commitment, children merong rainbow, napaka-green ng paligid nila, so napaka-wealthy and loving, have a healthy, fulfilling relationship. And pwedeng dito ay magkakaroon ng pregnancy, no? Yan. Okay. And last for Pisces, the Hierophant and the High Priestess. Wow! So nakikita ko dito, maganda. Pwedeng magkakaroon dito ng marriage. Okay? At saka yung High Priestess is nandyan yung higher self mo eh. Kung ano may intuition mo, 'di ba? Para sa iyong future at saka marriage. I can see marriage. Okay, yan po yung mga paparating na mga blessings para sa all signs this March. Okay, maybe a little bit longer or hindi natin masasabi exactly, pero take what resonates. Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Have a good day.